Hey there, Wichita homeowners! Are you considering a kitchen renovation but unsure where to start? Well, today, I've got you covered with expert tips and essential information about replacing kitchen cabinets. Whether you're aiming for a complete overhaul or a simple upgrade, these tips will guide you through the process. Let's start with the two most common concerns when it comes to kitchen cabinets. How often should you replace kitchen cabinets? Kitchen cabinets can last for decades with proper care, but signs of wear, damage, or outdated styles might indicate it's time for an upgrade. Contact Kitchen Remodel Wichita for expert advice on when it's time to replace your Wichita kitchen cabinets. Reface or replace kitchen cabinets. Deciding between refacing and replacing depends on your cabinet's condition and renovation goals. Refacing can be a cost-effective option for cabinets in good condition, while replacing might be necessary for extensive changes. Reach out to us at Kitchen Remodel Wichita for personalized advice on refacing or replacing your Wichita kitchen cabinets. Now here are 5 useful tips to consider when replacing kitchen cabinets. Tip 1. Assess functionality and layout. Before diving into cabinet replacement, evaluate your kitchen's functionality and layout. Take note of your storage needs and daily activities in the kitchen. This evaluation will help guide the new cabinet design and layout, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your lifestyle. Tip 2. Quality matters. Invest in quality cabinets that stand the test of time. Solid wood or plywood cabinets are durable options that offer longevity and reliability. Here in Wichita, at Kitchen Remodel Wichita, we prioritize quality materials, ensuring your cabinets withstand the demands of everyday use. Tip 3. Style and aesthetics. Consider the aesthetics and style that complement your home. Whether it's modern chic or traditional elegance, choose a cabinet design that aligns with your home's overall ambiance. Our team at Kitchen Remodel Wichita offers a diverse range of styles and finishes to suit your Wichita home's vibe. Tip 4. Storage solutions. Maximize storage efficiency with innovative solutions. Features like pull-out shelves, drawer organizers, and customized inserts optimize space utilization, enhancing functionality and organization in your kitchen. Tip 5. Professional installation. While DIY might seem tempting, hiring a professional for cabinet installation is crucial. A professional ensures precise measurements, proper alignment, and flawless installation, guaranteeing your cabinets look and function flawlessly. So there you have it, Wichita. 5 essential tips and key information to guide you through replacing kitchen cabinets. If you're ready to transform your kitchen, give us a call at 316-445-9933 or visit our website at kitchenremodelwichitax.com to schedule your consultation. Let's make your dream kitchen a reality together with Kitchen Remodel Wichita, where quality meets style right here in Wichita.